Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the slate from the docking station. Removal. Starting with the bottom edge, carefully release the clips on the outer edge of the display back cover from the display bezel and remove. Replacement. Important: transfer the service tag from the original display back cover to the replacement display back cover. Align and place the display back cover into position on the display bezel. Press down on the edges of the display back cover to snap it into place.